Once again, Meta has partnered with me to share with you the most exciting new announcement that will help millions of ad accounts. Not only has it never been this easy to make and run ads, it hasn't been this easy to scale profits in years. If you're struggling to see good results or to scale your business, then this new tool will change everything for you. And I'm going to share my screen and show you how to build 322 ads with Meta's brand new flexible ads. The newest and best ads everyone should be running. And a special tool that I've built just for you that will help you write ads that convert on day one so you can start making money right away. And it's free. This is the way of building ads that the best marketers in the world are using to get the best results. So let's get started. I'm Charlie, welcome back to Disruptor School, where we do things a little bit differently. Demystifying Facebook ads so that you can scale with confidence, and we're empowering the community so that you can see more success and less stress, which is what you deserve. So let me introduce flexible ads, and then we're going to build an ad live right here, right now, inside of my ad account to promote the predictable profit scaling blueprint and Disruptor Bot bundle that you can find on disruptorschool.com. Flexible ads are now replacing all dynamic creatives at all campaign types, and this is going to help brands see even more creative freedom, better results, and removing the guesswork from advertising while reducing costs across the board. Now, you can see in this ad account, first thing, we're gonna create a new sales campaign. In here we have the choice of advantage shopping campaigns, or we can start a manual sales campaign. Charlie wants to get involved. It's so easy, I'm gonna do this all with a baby on my lap. Okay, so when we build this, we're gonna have the option for a new campaign, and let's go in and drop the campaign name. For this, it's gonna be as simple as Flexible Ads Demo. You should call it something else, whatever you need. Now we're gonna scroll on down. We're not gonna choose catalog ads. We're not gonna choose A/B test, but we are gonna use Advantage Campaign Budget. We should be setting the budget at the campaign level for all ads. Now, I'm not worried about the engaged audiences or anything else for the reporting side. Today, we're just gonna build ads. The best practice for those is gonna be so dependent on your business. Now, when we're building ad sets, you should name it around what your creative concept is so that you know what it is that you're doing. So today we're gonna call our ad set Predictable Profit Scaling Blueprint and Disruptor Bot, because that's what we're gonna promote. And we're gonna be promoting this on our website. So let's click that as the conversion location. We're gonna want to select the purchase event. Now in attribution setting, we're gonna select 7-day click-through, 1-day view. This is going to give the machine the most amount of data possible. And now with flexible ads, we're gonna skip the dynamic creative option with the ad set because that's gonna go away. Now when it comes to our targeting, it will default to the Advantage Plus. I'm gonna show you when you use original targeting, what that looks like, because this is my favorite thing to do. So, hi girl. We're gonna use broad targeting, which is age, gender, and location. Now, let's go ahead and make the sales ad. And for this, again, we're just gonna go ahead and call it the Predictable Profit Scaling Blueprint and Disruptor Bot. You can pick whatever Facebook page you want, and as you scroll down, you're gonna see this option for flexible. So let's click it right there. Now below this in the ad sources in the website URL section, we're gonna drop in the URL for where we're gonna be sending all of our traffic. This is gonna help Facebook understand with a little bit more intelligence. For me, this is disruptorschool.com/products/disruptor-bot. That's the URL we're gonna be driving stuff to today. And to check our work, we're gonna go ahead and hit preview URL because we wanna make sure we're sending people to the right website, which is the Predictable Profit Scaling Blueprint Disruptor Bot Bundle. So now what we need to do is we're gonna go to ChatGPT real quick. And I'm gonna show you something that you don't need to pay a penny for. This is 100% free for everyone. As you can see here, this current plan is free on my demo here today. I've got the premium stuff, but I'm not gonna require you to get that. So go to Explore GPTs, and in here we're just gonna type in 322, 3:2:2. And you're gonna see this come up. The 322 method's copyrighted with Disruptor School. We've had over 1,000 people use this at a 4.4 rating, so pretty solid. Now in here, there's a button to say, start with your LP. What this means is we're gonna give the machine the landing page that we're gonna send people to, which is the Predictable Profit Scaling Blueprint Disruptor Bot Bundle. We're gonna copy this URL and paste it in here. This is gonna let ChatGPT scan our web page, review all of it, give us the price, the benefits, the features, the guarantee, all of that info. Now in this, you're gonna get 10 Facebook ad headlines. With those headlines, what we wanna do is say which ones work best for us. So as we look through them, scale your brand, unlock the secrets, grow your brand, master Facebook ads and scale your business. You're like, all right, Charlie seems to really like the master Facebook ads and scale your business, get started today. So let's go ahead and pick that one. We're gonna pick number 4. It looks like you seem to like it. Little Charlie is a marketer. And then 24/7 support. Let's also pick this one. Achieve ad success with in-depth business insights and 24/7 support. Love those. Now it says perfect choice. They're gonna craft 5 sets of primary text based on these headlines. We've done all this with a baby in one hand and the machine doing all the rest of the work. It really is this easy. Now, what we want to do is say, please proceed, because it asked us if we liked it, if we had any feedback. I like what they have. So now we have a full campaign overview, and it's suggesting some creatives for us with a couple of headlines and a bunch of primary text that it has ranked in the order in which it thinks will be successful. This is easy. You can do this. This is free. I've built it all out for you. So we're going back to Facebook. We're gonna select 3 videos. So we have our 3 creatives. Because remember, a 322 ad is 3 creatives, 2 headlines, and 2 primary text. Then we're gonna copy and paste our first headline, and we're gonna go back and select our other headline. Then we're gonna go back and select the first primary text, and then the second primary text. Now, as we build this 322 ad, remember, a 322 ad means we have 3 creative, 2 headlines, 2 primary text. That is the optimal setup for flexible ads. So now we're reviewing our build. We've got our ad name in place. Check. We're gonna pick our Facebook page as we need to. We've got create ad, manual upload. We've chosen the flexible option. We've turned off the multi-advertiser ads. And our ad sources, we've dropped in the website that we're gonna be driving people to. We've previewed that URL. We've added 3 creatives. Remember, it's a 322 ad. We've added 2 primary text. Remember, 322. And we've added in 2 headlines. Great. Now below this, we have the option for description. We're not gonna use that. Then we need to add in the URL we're actually gonna drive people, which is the same URL we've dropped in above. We're just gonna copy and paste it down here into the destination section. Otherwise, this ad won't actually be able to publish. Now, we have the option here to add groups, but because we're building 322 ads, we don't need groups. So then it's just as simple as selecting our CTA. For this, I'm gonna pick Shop Now, because that's what I want you to do. I want you to see this ad and shop now. What we've done is built out an entire 322 ad in the flexible ad format from scratch with a baby in our hand using ChatGPT. This is something you can do. Facebook has built out the awesome ad tool. I've built out everything else you need. Now you can make ads that will produce a profit on day 1. This is everything you need to be successful. Now that you know how to build all of your ads, what I really want to show you is how to scale any business. So check out this video over here, because I made this just for you so that you can understand how to scale literally any business with your Facebook ads. And with that being said, until next time, I'll see you on the internet. Bye.